Today we'll be talking about HTML media. Okay, so HTML multimedia on the web. So multimedia on the web is sound, music, videos, animations. In fact, just audio and videos and pictures are sound, are multimedia. Audio, pictures, and videos are your multimedia. Right? Multimedia is just different formats of passing out information. Okay, guys, so multimedia comes in different formats: images, videos, and sound and audio. And let's look at the formats for multimedia. We have common video formats. We have the MPEG, AVI, WMV, Flash, MP4. MP4 is our recommended format for websites. Okay, so remember the file extension tells you the type of file. So an MP4 file will have .mp4 as the file extension. Alright, I said MP4, WebM, and OGG video are supported by HTML standard. Audio formats will have MIDI, real audio. We have WMA, AAC, WAV, MP3, MP4. MP3, WAV, and OGG are supported in HTML. All right, so let's just move over to videos. Let's see how videos are created. How are videos created in HTML? Videos like this are created using the video element. Okay, so let's try it ourselves and see. So you're going to see we have the video opening tag, video closing tag with source elements inside it. The video opening and closing tag contains your source elements. You can have multiple source elements giving us multiple videos. Okay, so the videos will be selected based on the format that is supported. If MP4 is not supported, the next video will play. If the next video is not supported, if there are other sources, you to choose from any of those sources. Your controls is what is giving us all these controls here. Okay, remember that here this is a shorthand for the controls attribute. This thing simply means controls equal to controls. This thing simply means controls equal to controls. But because controls is equal to controls, that's why they just shortened it as controls. Okay, all right. So here we have a width of 400. We can increase it to 450 and see what happens. And so we have a width 450. All right. So let's go back and see things about the how does it work. Let's look at how it works. The controls attribute adds video controls, like I said, and it's a good idea to always include width and height attributes. We have the source element that tells us which alternative videos to play. Okay, so this is your another example with an autoplay attribute. This example has an autoplay attribute. So without this autoplay attribute, the video will not play. It should just open until you now decide to play. But can you see that we don't have any button to click to play? Why? Because the control attribute is not set. So you can say controls. When we set our controls, the video will load, but it's not play, but at least we'll have a play button. However, I can still add autoplay to it. And when you run, the video plays automatically. You can also add autoplay but muted. I think that's the next thing we'll talk about. When you run, it's playing, but it is muted. All right, let's continue. So we have muted. Muted is usually added after autoplay. All right, what else? What else? What else? What else? Now, so let's go over to audio and understand what's happening in audio. All right, so for the audio is got into HTML using the audio element. So typical audio element looks like this. It has audio opening tag, audio closing tag. Audio opening tag has controls. Okay, and these controls definitely are your play, pause, and all that. Let's try it out and see. So these are your controls. So with your controls, you have your pause, you have your mutes, and some other things. You have your mutes. You can decide to play, mute, and all that. Okay. So your sources are also telling you which audio to play. If this audio is not supported, the next audio will play. All right. So it comes with the source attributes. Source attribute tells you which exact audio you're playing, and the type is telling you the type of audio that is playing. All right. I think that's so. We've already done pictures and how to put images. Okay, the next thing we'll be talking about is how to embed your YouTube. How do you embed your YouTube media? They said the easiest way to play videos in HTML is to use YouTube. Are you struggling with video formats? The best thing is upload those videos to YouTube and then embed YouTube into your work. And to do that, you need the ID of the video that you want to embed. Okay, so you use an iframe to embed your YouTube. Let's try it up and see. So you see, this is an iframe. This iframe has a source that is pointing to this particular YouTube link, and with the ID of the YouTube that you want to, the YouTube video you want to link. So let's try getting a YouTube video. Okay. So let's say we want to make use of this YouTube video on my page. All I need to do is to copy this ID. This is the ID I need to copy. Okay, I copy the ID and I come back to my work and I paste the ID in my work and then I run. When I run, you see that my YouTube video is now here playing. Note how I got the ID. The ID is something is equal to the ID. After your equal sign, you get your ID. Okay, that's it for YouTube videos. You can also make the video muted. So all you need to do is to set autoplay. You put a question mark. Autoplay is 1. 1 means it will start playing automatically. 0 means it will not start playing automatically. Let's try it out. So you can just add these variables to your link. When you have still part of the link, just put a question mark. So let me paste my guy. So I run. So by default, my video will start playing because autoplay is set to 1. 1 means let it play automatically. Mute means 1 for mute means it is muted. But if I set 0 for my mute, when it starts, it will come with voice. Okay, it's autoplay, but when it begins, it will begin with a voice. Let me see. It's not autoplaying anymore. It's because I set this mute. Okay, let me just remove the entire mute. Since I don't want it muted, I just want it to autoplay. Let me see what happens. It's still not auto, guys. It's still not autoplaying. So let me undo. I don't know why it's still not autoplaying. But here it is autoplaying. Well, maybe there's something wrong somewhere. But the important thing is that the autoplay value. If I set 0, it shouldn't autoplay. Okay, so if I set 0, it shouldn't autoplay unless I click on it to play. Right, that's all for today. I think, yeah, that's all for today. We have some couple of things like finally this control. You can set your controls to 0 or 1 depending on what you want. Alright, see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye for now.